You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very interesting Italian word. It's essentially Italian for a snail, but it's also the @ sign, in an email address, the @ symbol that looks a little bit like a snail indeed, with an A in the middle. So how do you say this word? Chiocciola. CH in Italian is che, okay, so that's why it's not chio, but chiocciola. Then double CI is pronounced like CH, so replace the double CI in the middle with CH. I know it kind of, for an English spelling, it doesn't really make sense. That's how Italian works. Chiocciola, chiocciola. So K-I-O-C-H-O-L-A, you could spell it. Chiocciola. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.